Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and this is my point of view on the John Green Paperback Collection book set. So this paperback collection has 4 works by John Green. We've got An Abundance of Katherines, Looking for Alaska, The Fault in Our Stars, and Paper Towns. I actually got this box set shortly after the release of the movie inspired by John Green's book, The Fault in Our Stars, which was back in 2014. And I can say that these books are in a very good condition, despite of the fact that it's been almost 10 years since I bought these books. So this is an amazing option, especially if you have already read one of John Green's books and you want to read more of what he has written. Then this book set will be perfect because you will be getting John Green's most popular books, and you will be getting them in this amazing and beautiful box set. And that is my point of view.